Welcome to a captivating exploration of criminal law from a global perspective. In this video, we will delve into the intriguing realm of crime and punishment, providing you with an in-depth understanding of how different countries around the world approach criminal justice. Join us as we embark on an eye-opening journey, examining the similarities and differences in criminal laws and their enforcement in countries across the globe. Let's begin our exploration of criminal law around the world. Criminal law around the world, a global perspective on crime and punishment. Criminal law varies significantly from one country to another, with legal systems shaped by historical, cultural, and societal factors. While many nations share common principles, each jurisdiction applies its own unique approach. Crime is a universal problem, and every society grapples with ways to deter and punish offenders. But how these goals are achieved can differ dramatically. Let's explore some of the key aspects of criminal law around the world. Legal systems. Every country has its own legal system, which forms the foundation of its criminal laws. Common legal systems include civil law, common law, religious law, and customary law. Civil law relies heavily on codified statutes, providing clear guidelines for judges to apply. Common law, on the other hand, relies on precedent, where decisions made in previous cases serve as a basis for judgments. Religious law draws its principles from religious texts and traditions, often intertwining morality and religious beliefs. Customary law is derived from local customs and practices that have evolved over time within specific societies or communities. These legal systems influence how crimes are defined, prosecuted, and penalized, contributing to the diversification of criminal law worldwide. Crime definition and categorization. Defining and categorizing crimes can also vary significantly across jurisdictions. While certain offenses like murder and theft are universally recognized, the degree of severity and classification may differ. Some countries classify crimes into distinct categories such as felonies and misdemeanors, each carrying different levels of punishment. Others may have specific classifications based on the nature of the crime, such as white-collar crimes, cyber crimes, or hate crimes. It's important to note that what constitutes a crime may be influenced by cultural norms and societal values. Therefore, the same act might be considered a crime in one country but not in another. Punishment and rehabilitation. The primary purposes of punishment in criminal law are deterrence, retribution, incapacitation, and rehabilitation. However, the emphasis placed on each goal differs across the globe. Some jurisdictions prioritize deterrence and retribution, focusing on severe punishments as a means to dissuade potential offenders and balance the scales of justice. Others emphasize rehabilitation, aiming to reform offenders and reintegrate them into society. Alternative approaches, such as community service, restorative justice programs, or probationary measures, have gained traction in various countries, aiming for a more holistic and balanced approach to punishment. Criminal law is a constantly evolving field shaped by diverse legal systems and cultural contexts. By understanding the global perspectives on crime and punishment, we gain insights that can inspire improvements within our own legal frameworks. Join us on this enlightening journey through criminal law around the world, where we've explored legal systems, crime definition, and punishment practices across different jurisdictions. Thank you for joining us. Remember to stay curious and continue exploring the intriguing world of law.